Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on your Jeep Commander. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This simple sequence should successfully reset your oil life indicator, preparing your vehicle for its next adventure. After performing the reset, start your Jeep Commander to confirm the change. The oil life indicator on your dashboard should now display 100% or a similar full reading, indicating a successful reset. If the indicator does not reset, simply repeat the steps, ensuring you are precise with the timing and pedal presses. Sometimes it takes a second attempt. Resetting your oil life indicator is more than just turning off a light. It ensures your vehicle's maintenance system provides accurate reminders for future oil changes, preventing unnecessary service lights. This practice helps maintain your Jeep Commander's optimal performance and longevity, keeping its engine running smoothly and efficiently for many miles to come. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for your engine's longevity and efficiency. Always consult your Jeep Commander's owner's manual for specific oil types and recommended service intervals to ensure you're providing the best care. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check out the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.